Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Today, in this episode of Classic Kit Review, we're going to be taking a look at the 7th generation Mercury Cougar. I'll cover a brief history of the car, then we'll dive into the kit itself. Thanks for stopping by today, and I hope you enjoy this episode of Classic Kit Review. Let's get started. The 7th generation Mercury Cougar was introduced in December 1988 for the 1989 model year and was built upon a platform specifically designed for the Mercury Cougar and Ford Thunderbird, retaining the use of rear-wheel drive. The cars included 4-wheel independent suspension in place of a live rear axle and offered optional 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. Although built upon the same platform, designers sought to develop increased differentiation between the two models. While the fenders and front doors are common between the two vehicles, fewer visible parts were shared in comparison to the previous generation. As part of the shift to a wider chassis in 1989, the Cougar became a 5-passenger vehicle for the first time since 1982. The redesign of the two vehicles was intended to compete against imported luxury coupes at an affordable price. Power was delivered solely by a 3.8-liter V6, as the new hood line was too low to fit a 5-liter V8, making it the first time a V8 engine was not available in the Cougar or Thunderbird. To optimize its handling capabilities, the performance-oriented XR-7 was fitted with many model-specific features. In addition to the 210 horsepower supercharged V6 serving as replacement for the turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4, the XR-7 featured 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, electronically adjustable suspension, 16-inch alloy wheels, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Models were also fitted with sport seats, a 2-spoke sport steering wheel, and full analog instrumentation. During its production run from 1989 to 1997, the 7th generation Mercury Cougar underwent several revisions. In 1991, the Cougar received a slight facelift with new headlamps, tail lamps, front bumper, and a smaller grille. The 5.0-liter V8 was reintroduced, featuring a new intake manifold to allow for sufficient underhood clearance. The updated V8 replaced the supercharged V6 in the XR-7 and also marked the end of the 5-speed manual transmission in the Cougar. To commemorate the 25th anniversary of the Mercury Cougar in 1992, an option package was available, equipped nearly exclusively on XR-7 models, offering 15-inch BBS alloy wheels, dark green paint, and a tan interior. Other features included unique C-pillar badging and an imitation trunk lid luggage rack. Approximately 5,000 25th anniversary Cougars were produced. As market demand shifted away from large two-door coupes, the Mercury Cougar and Ford Thunderbird were both discontinued after the 1997 model year. The 7th generation Mercury Cougar XR-7 was first released by Revell in 1990. The Skill Level 2 kit was later reissued again in 1990 to reflect the updated 1991 front fascia and a new V8 engine. The kit was again updated and re-released for 1992. Each release displayed the model year prominently on the box art. All Revell Cougar kits from this generation are 2-in-1 kits featuring aero body panels. A 3-in-1 1992 Mercury Cougar XR-7 was reissued in 2003, this time featuring parts for the half-roof landau top, Lowrider wheels, and other unique Lowrider parts. The kit was last released in 2013. Now that we have a little background of the car, let's dive into the kit itself and take a look.
Whoa, what is happening? 2 Revell kits in a row? Oh my goodness. Well, for those of you concerned, don't worry. I think next week we'll be back to another AMT kit. But for right now, let's take a look at this. 1990 Mercury Cougar XR-7. $9. Yeah, I wish I paid that for it. Let's open this baby up. Glass is sitting right on top. That's kind of unfortunate, but not a big deal. remove this. It's kind of weird that there's this tree just kind of hanging out there. But because of that, you might be able to see rubbed a little bit on the windshield. You know what, we're gonna fix that right now. Unnecessary, completely unnecessary. This is kind of unusual. The back and side glass molded like that. No, it's alright. Otherwise, the glass looks good. Whoa, a little dark too. Hold on. Helps if I turn on all the lights. The glass looks great too, the headlights. Headlights have some texture behind them. Looks pretty cool. These are little Mercury Cougar symbols. Those look cool. All right, set that aside. Again, directional tires. The tires look awesome. I love that tread pattern. And they do say right and left. These are some awesome looking tires. Back taillight lens panel. Cougar XR-7 on that side. Mercury on this side. Pretty neat. There's the third brake lamp. Molded. Very nice 3D look right there. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the chrome tree. Some nice big wheels. Wheels look great. Not a lot of flash on any of this chrome. Decals look really good after all these years. Okay, so that's cool. So there's some decals for here. That's gonna be pretty neat. First time I've ever seen that, but I like that. Let's take a look at the instructions. Very extensive, very thorough. The XR-7 body, very, very clean. Very thin plastic too, typical Revell. Has a nice solid feel to it though. XR-7 body moldings, little Mercury emblem up here. Nice deep panel lines. Real nice looking body. Here we go. Here's the bumpers. Here's the bumpers with the aero panels. This is real strange. Why don't they just include the aero panel that you can glue on instead of giving you a whole new bumper? Oh well, doesn't matter. Some side aero panels. That's all you need. Those look good. Here we have the seats. Oh man, the seats look great. They just look so comfortable. I'll sit down into these 1990 plush leather seats. Door cards look great. Nice texture on the bottom there. Here's the seat backs. Those look fantastic. Optional grille. Steering wheel has real nice texture to it too. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard looks great. Revell did a real good job with these kits back in the 90s. I mean, they still do a good job today, but these kits look fantastic. Texture on the rear seats back there. That looks good. It's a nice looking kit. The chassis Chassis stamped, has pretty good detail in there. Here's the airbox. Very, very minimal flash on these pieces. They all look real sharp. Alright, so here's the axle with the drive shaft molded in. I think it's strange that they leave it hollow on the backside. I mean, I guess you're never going to see it. It's just not the biggest fan of that. Here's your V6 exhaust manifolds, side mirrors, some fan, radiator components. Again, look, blank on that side. That's right. Again, parts you're never going to see. The exhaust looks beautiful. Really does. Looks real nice. Here's your engine, your belts, another steering wheel. I'll have to see what that's for. The steering wheel again has good texture. Here's the hood, the slot for the grill. Let's check out the underside of the hood. Can you guys see that? Look, there's beautiful, just beautiful texture on there. All right. Hey, nice job, Revell. This car looks great. The kit looks great. I don't know what else to say. This looks like a fun kit. I'm gonna get around to it one day, maybe. I would like to thank all of my subscribers and everyone for watching. I really, really appreciate your support, and thank you to everybody who leaves comments. I have shop cards available. If you would like one, please get a hold of me. You can find my email address in the comment section below. And I will see you guys on the next one.